Want to add pages to Shopify store and navigation menu? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open any web browser. Now search Shopify, then head over to shopify.com. Once you're here, make sure to log into your account. Now from the home page, you want to click on the online store option, then select pages. Now click on add pages. Here, you want to give your page a title. Once you have done that, now enter your content. You can edit the content however you want. Now, on the right hand side, you have the visibility option. You can make your page visible or hidden. After that, you want to click on the save option. Now, as you can see, your page has been successfully created. If you want to add it to navigation menu, then you simply want to click on the navigation option, then click on main menu. Now click on add menu item, then select pages and then select your page and click on the add option. If you want to delete your page later on, you can do that by heading over to pages, then check your page. Now click on the three dots. Here you have the option of delete pages. You can set it as visible or hidden from here as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.